gotta be something else in here that I would like. Ooh, maybe these nuggets? No, too expensive. Well, I guess maybe butter? No, butter's gross. Or cheese. Well, maybe I should have Sunday syrup more often. Hmm, what can I have for something? Probably. Nope. Ah. Huh. Hmm. This thing's gone very gross. Ugh. Ooh, cheese. I got to try. Hmm. Maybe cheese. No, cheese isn't gonna work. Hmm. What could I have? What's this? Surprise unit. Nice one, Mousy. I guess I should be in the fridge more often.